2023 when you joined TSA, which was the course that you opted for?
Want to working as a BIM manager or the BIM lead. So they should just select the BIM Ready Plus.
Plus.
It is the complete BIM related course, and it will be help to manage the BIM package. Yeah.
And so since you have a robust experience in the industry and in the entire field itself, and you have seen it evolving over the last few years, so what do you think, like how has BIM impacted architecture, engineering and construction, like the AEC industry overall?
So as I say, before construction we are create a digital model, okay, and there if you can say if there are the electrical engineer and they don't know what is the size of this panel and how this panel is looks and how can we handle the coordination. So totally that engineer can get the information from the models, okay, that's the intelligent model.
Now BIM is there globally, even in India, everywhere. People who have this background, they want to know BIM, and even the government is very supportive now for BIM. But like if you see and how it has been in the past, but according to you, what are the advancements that you think could be there for BIM in the coming 5 to 10 years?
Nowadays the new technology also coming, and it is also under development with the connected with the AI, okay. So AI also helping to and solving the critical issues also. So within the 5 or 10 years, I think in India also totally convert, okay, in the BIM.
But like as you mentioned that India is adopting this thing, and coming back to that, I mean Technostruct Academy is a wing of our parent company, which is Technostruct LLC, which is based out in California and has worked and developed huge projects like Google Bayview, Google headquarters, Apple headquarters, Microsoft, and all these things required BIM. And we were like the pioneers who did that. But now coming to India, I mean, there are also a lot of projects that we are currently working on. IGI Airport, Terminal 1, it was something where BIM was implemented. Then we have Dharavi, which is coming up now. So any advice you would want to give someone who is like not so veteran in this industry?
I just want to advise for the company who want to just implement the BIM and thinking about the cost. Oh, BIM is too much costing, and how can we handle that one? So I want to just say one thing: BIM is not a costing. It is officially it is the costing in the starting, but it will be save your money, save your time, and that you will cover in that factor. Yeah. This is my suggestion. Who is just only involved in the 2D or CAD or traditional drawing, eh? They should get a knowledge, okay, from
Anywhere. It's not like we want to advertise ourselves.
where you want where you have feel okay this institute is the good. But as per my experience, I get this information or this knowledge from the Technostruct, okay.